Today we're going to take a look at the Origin Mattress from Polysleep. The Origin Mattress is their budget offering of 3 mattresses. A couple years ago I had a chance to review their original mattress. Had a great feel. This company is based out of Canada, where the mattress is also manufactured. So let's dive in. The Origin mattress has a simple construction. It measures 8 inches deep. It has a distinctive purple cover, as you can see behind me. Now this cover is made with a cellulose fiber that's stretchable, breathable, but it's also machine washable. And it has a feel similar to cotton. Underneath that, you get 2 layers of foam. Your first layer measures 2 inches deep. That's your comfort layer. You're going to get your feel right away, and as you move around, it's going to recover very quickly. The comfort layer also has antimicrobial properties to it. Underneath that, you have your base layer for optimal support. Now all this adds up to an efficiently made mattress that is very price competitive. What I found unique about the Origin mattress is your weight really does play more of a role than other mattresses that I've reviewed. So for example, I weigh around 200 pounds, and I found this mattress to be pretty darn soft. Now, one of my colleagues laid on the mattress, and she weighs about 120 pounds, and she thought the mattress was rather firm. So if you're like me and you're maybe on the heavier end of the spectrum, you're a bigger person, and you want a mattress with more support, you'll probably want to look at some of the other offerings from Polysleep. Now this mattress is very breathable because, like I said, it has that top layer of open cell foam that's going to dissipate heat. And because it's all foam, it's really going to do a great job of containing motion transfer. The Origin mattress retails for $595 in a queen size, which translates to $650 Canadian. It comes with a 100-night trial, which means you can try it out in the comfort of your home for 100 nights, risk-free. If you don't like it, it's a free return. Now, if you do like it, you're backed by a 5-year manufacturer warranty, which covers any defects. Now, this mattress is made in Canada, so shipping times may also vary. So overall, the Origin mattress is a great balance between price and comfort. Now this mattress is also very portable. What I noticed upon unboxing it was how light it was. So if you're a college student, you know you're going to be moving around a lot, it's great to have this mattress because you know you can just easily transport it from your dorm to your first apartment. It's also great for people that are looking for a great mattress for a spare bedroom or even a guest house. So head on over to sleepsherpa.com where we've got the latest discounts and you can compare it to other mattresses in the category.